Assembly times in your designs are calculated primarily by your fastener times. Set your times based on the equipment you use for installation. An example would be if you use a nail gun versus a hammer. First, click on the item ID to bring up that item's information. Then review the current values for modification. Open the website calculate-me/time. Set the two options to minutes and seconds. If you're able to set a split screen, you can modify your times quickly. When the value from this fastener is entered in Calculate Me, we can see this converts to an install time of 8.4 seconds. Is this accurate for your shop? Too high? Too low? To change it, click on Swap Units and enter the value that's more accurate for your shop. Choose Calculate, and that result is what is entered into your Crate Pro 6 field. Let's review one more fastener, a lag bolt. There is a prep time and an install time. Prep time would be pre-drilling the hole, and then there's an install time. Switch the unit's minutes to seconds. Enter one of the values from Crate Pro. The value of 0.75 of a minute equals 45 seconds. Is this accurate for your shop? If not, switch the values in Calculate Me and enter the actual number of seconds to pre-drill a hole. Repeat these steps for all active fasteners. You're also able to use this same site for all your material times.